Some applications like tube bending require features to be cut in a specific position in respect of the weld seam on the tube. In order to do it without any manual intervention of the operator, ByTube 130 can be equipped with an automatic camera. The camera detects the seam on round, square, rectangular tubes and also on all the other standard sections. The field of vision is positioned at plus minus 44 mm in respect of the tube axis. Before starting a new production, the operator can activate the weld seam detection camera on the ByVision tube. The camera is positioned inside the cutting unit to make sure that the lightning is constant in every environmental condition. Moreover, the detection is made on the inner face of the tube, where problems connected to rust, paints, polished surface and other contamination have a lower impact. If the system is unable to recognize the seam because of insufficient contrast between the seam and the tube surface, the operator needs to use the manual mode.